So I knew I wanted to work for Air Products. So when I saw they were attending the Penn State Mechanical Engineering Career Fair, I took the initiative. I put my application online for the position I wanted to go for. And then when I went up there, talked to recruiters, they said, oh, we saw your application, had a few interviews, and then it just kind of worked out for me. My role at Air Products, I worked in our project estimating and project proposal group for the North America region. My task was going through all of our estimates, comparing what we estimated to our project to what we actually spent. I also got exposure to how our plants work, how the equipment works, and then I made endless connections with my time while I was there. If you're interested in getting an internship for this summer, find a company you want to work for, make sure they're at the career fair that you're intended to go to, and reach out and be yourself. The big thing is, if you know you want to work for a company down the line, get in there maybe 1 year early, and you know that you might have a good chance of getting a full-time position. Time management, being able to be on top of your stuff, getting your stuff done on time, applies to both school and the actual workforce. So being able to have multiple tasks at the same time for different projects I may be working on was a good kind of balance between school and Air Products. The reason why Penn State Berks was a choice for me was because it offered a lot of smaller classrooms, which is something I like. I can't sit in a 200, 300 person lecture class. I'd feel super lost. So what's nice that I have a good chance to, get closer with my professor, get closer with my classmates, and it's been doing me very well ever since.